Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Mailchimp account to your Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Mailchimp to Acuity scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that keeping in touch with your customers is an important way to upsell them. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's mostly handled in your Acuity scheduling. However, you do need to log into your Mailchimp account and grab an API key, which we're going to go over. So first off, here on the left side of the homepage of your Acuity scheduling, you're going to click on this button here on the left called integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different integrations available, but you want to scroll down until you see the Mailchimp logo and click on setup. Once you do that, you're going to see this little menu pop up on the right. As you can see, it's asking for the Mailchimp API key. So let me jump on over to my Mailchimp account. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and log into my Mailchimp account. Okay, I went ahead and logged into my Mailchimp account. And in order to get your API key, click on your profile initial here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and click here on account and billing. Once you do that, you'll see these options here at the top, and you want to click here on extras. Once you click on extras, you'll see API keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the API keys you might have already set up, but what you want to do is click here on create a key. Okay, now we can go ahead and name this key. So let's go ahead and name this Acuity Scheduling. Okay, and generate key. Okay, now we have a new API key from Mailchimp, so we're going to go ahead and copy to clipboard. Okay, now it's copied to my clipboard, so let's jump back over to Acuity. Okay, here we are back in Acuity, and all we're going to do is click right in here and then paste in the API key. All right, once you pasted in the API key, click here, connect to Mailchimp. Okay, next it refreshes. Now you can see successfully saved settings. Okay, now you want to go ahead and choose the Mailchimp list that we're going to be syncing to. So let me go ahead and open this up, and then I'll choose my list, and then we're going to click on save list. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now, when I get new appointments in Acuity scheduling, it's going to sync with my Mailchimp list right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Mailchimp account to Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.